Otherwise, we're actually going to have a really nice day today, right?
Yeah, we should see some calm weather going into our afternoon. So this is the calm before a potential winter storm here across the Portland metro area and for good portions of Oregon going into the end of the week. So enjoy today and bundle up out the door. We're still cold this morning, mid-30s right now with mainly cloudy skies. Take a look at these temperatures on the east sides of both Oregon and Washington. We are looking at some cold temperatures in the teens with mainly clear skies to start. So a lot of those clouds sucking in the west sides of Oregon right now. We're still cold out there. There's your view of downtown. A relatively calm morning, though. Not dealing with too much fog and no moisture either. As we head into our late morning and the afternoon, expect to see partly sunny skies. It's going to be a nice day again to get outside for a walk, get some exercise in. Then we start to see some changes as we head our way into the end of the week here. Right now we have high pressure in place. That is giving us our calm start to the day and calm weather for today. But we have our next weather maker brewing offshore. And this system is going to roll into the region and bring us that chance for winter weather by the end of the week. So let's get into it. What we first start to see changing here is a lot of cold air seeping into the region. East winds start to ramp up as we head towards our Thursday morning through lunchtime here. We could see some very gusty winds tomorrow as that cold pool of air on the east side starts to funnel into Portland and up and down the valley. So we start to prime the area for cold enough temperatures for snow going into Thursday with these very gusty east winds. And again, we'll stay very cold towards the west end of the gorge. And again, as that cold air starts to work in here. So we continue that gusty wind through Friday, too, and that's going to continue to keep temperatures very cold here in Portland, likely staying near freezing as we head towards the end of the week. Let's talk about this moisture. So here's our rainfall futurecast. This model, again, bringing in that moisture tomorrow. So we do stay dry today. We expect a partly sunny afternoon with increasing clouds by tonight. Going into our early Thursday morning, we start to see some rain showers trickling on in. So likely falling is all rain. We're not going to be cold enough yet, but by the late morning on Thursday, I do see chance for a wintry mix of some freezing rain for areas in Portland and further south too. Notice a little too warm down through Salem in the I-5 corridor to see much winter weather, likely keeping that wintry mix here just near Portland and further south, also out towards the Coast Range. We could possibly transition to more snowfall as those east winds continue to push on in on Thursday, possibly some snow showers going into our evening. And then Friday, I think, is the day that we see snow here in Portland, where we could stack up inches and again, travel through the metro area becoming very tough as that snow continues to fall. We'll even see more rounds of potential winter weather going into our Saturday. So here's one scenario I see setting up on Thursday so far with our current models. That gusty east wind setting up by the morning time tomorrow. We could see a wintry mix, freezing rain through the afternoon, and then we see that chance for some light snowfall through Thursday night, continuing into Friday. So here's another model showing potential snow outcomes. 1 inch by the end of Thursday. Notice how a lot of that snow will stay up towards the foothills, out towards the gorge. We could see that snow really stacking up by Thursday night. Heading into Friday, that continues, but also in Portland. Friday will be the day that we could see some snow stacking up here in the city. Again, a lot of the snow will favor the east sides of Portland. That's where that cold air is. So out to Hillsborough, much less snowfall. And down towards the south, likely even just a rain-snow mix or very light accumulations. A lot of the snow will stay up north here. Let's take a look at a better view here of potential snow totals. I see a range of about 2 to 4 inches in Portland by the time we hit the end of Friday. Take a look at Battleground and areas of the gorge. We're expecting to see a lot more. So keep your eyes peeled on the forecast here. We'll be tracking this potential citywide snow event going into Thursday, mainly on Friday. Even over our Valentine's Day weekend, we'll still see a chance to see a few rounds of snowfall. Carly.
Well, we